What is up, YouTube? It is me, PicCrafters, and today, in the morning, I am playing Cookie Clickers. Yes, it's 5:28, but that doesn't matter right now, guys, because I am really happy. Do you guys see this? We are able to get this, and if you guys don't know what this is, like, it will give you power-ups. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and immediately get that. See, look, research has begun. Your bingo center slash research facility is conducting experiments. And if you go into the stats, you'll see that it'll take a long time before you get everything cleared up. So that's kind of a big deal right now. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be kind of an issue. But hopefully we'll be able to get all this done real quick. I'm just happy that I got the research facility or whatever. So that's good. Okay, so last episode I was just looking for some, what is it called? Shadow achievements. And now, oh god. And now I'm just here. Okay, so maybe I'll unpause the video once when, okay, I'll unpause the video once when this 28 minutes is up. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so finally I have been able to get this, which is part of the Grandma Apocalypse. There you go. Okay, I got it. So now more research is going to be getting done. It'll take more minutes, so see you then, I guess. So yeah, guys, see you then. Alright, guys, I am back. Turns out that the research was found, but it's actually over the borders. It goes like 2 quadrillion, which, oh god, I can't afford. So I decided that maybe I would spend, yeah, get that to 5. Maybe I'll get this to, what, 50? Yeah, there you go. And make it. Guys, I get it to 10. I just get it to 10. Okay. Did not mean to do that. Sorry. I meant to just sell at least one of these. Oh, I can just get one more of those. Then I will be able to have 200 of them. So I can have always good life. Okay, I've been on this run 2 days. Then I level this up. Okay, I leveled it up because, no match. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys when I have enough cookies to get this, to pull this through. So I'll see you then. Okay, guys, we are back. It's been a day or two, and we finally hit 2 quadrillion. And now we can get this, but another thing is that I can actually get the PRISM, which is something I really wanted. What if I just got the PRISM? How much would it be? But then again, I kind of want the Grandma Apocalypse to come. So, the Bingo Facility Center. 29 minutes. So, at 11:20, 11:20 that. Ooh, we unlocked the new achievement, the digital, for getting 200 cursors. Quadrillion fingers to mouse and cursors, gain 500 cookies for each object. Oh. Oh yes, this is gonna be great. So, do you like unlock those type of achievements later on? I guess so. So, I'll see you guys in about 29 minutes once when like research is done or whatever. So yeah, see you then. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are back, and I noticed that we have this ritual rolling pins. I think I've already said that. This is 4 quadrillion, and we only have 1 quadrillion. So what I thought we could do is, oh darn it, we don't have enough for prisms. That's terrible, mate. So we don't have enough for prisms, so that's just great. No prisms mean no good cookies per second. You know? Wait, where the freaking thing? Yeah, that's probably not gonna be found. Get it? You know? Should I spin my sugar on sun? Oh, I can get another antimatter condenser. I can get like 5 of these. Oh, I can get 5, boys. Let's do this. How about we try to get it to 10? Oh boy, we are getting a lot per second. Also, I'm on prestige level 19, which is awesome. We've been running this for about a month. That's insane. So yeah, that is insane, boys. That is insane. We are going insane here. Now my lucky, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. I think, yeah, I know this one's a chance maker, but I think I've never actually heard of this one before, so I think this might have been updated like a long time ago. But I've never heard of it. Sorry. Sorry for any of you cookies out there. Cookie clicking people. Trust me, I feel you. Now you might have to think of what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to get this one to 15, trying to get this one to 20, and then I'm trying to get this one to 10. And I'm also going to try to get 1 prism. So that's, at this rate's not going to happen. Definitely not at this rate. Okay, I don't know what to do. Save it for that. Don't know what good that would do. Chicken, cricket, chicken, cricket. Only 2 trillion, that sucks. I remember when I was getting like 20 something trillion. Whatever happened to that? Huh? Cookie clicker people? I'll let you know when we have more power-ups. I really want to get this, so yeah, we'll save up for this. I'll see you guys when I have enough for that. Which I thought was still plating rolling pins, but it's okay, guys. Press the button. Yeah, what I'm doing, right? 50 trillion round moss. Yo, honestly, I think we just have about 2 more power-ups to collect before we are able to succeed and get the Grandma Apocalypse, guys. I've heard it could be potentially good. It could have unexpected results. It could just have any of that. You know, it can have a lot of unexpected results. So I better keep an eye on that, shouldn't I? Guys, you need to tell me some stuff here. I'll try to get to Oh, I honestly thought I was going to. Okay. Should I just end it here? Should I get the one mine power up at 11? I don't know, because I'm freaking done here. Frenzy. You know what? I'm done now. No, dude, that's literally my reaction when I get the frenzy. I was like, okay, we're done here. And dude, this is laggy as heck. This is laggy as heck. Ah, you know what? That is it. Guys, we'll just have to get steel plated rolling pins the next episode. Of course, I'll try. And well, hold on, we'll have to get 49,000. Then we'll end it as soon as I get 100 temples, because we want to get that achievement. You know, at least get some progress done. I mean, every achievement helps. Alright, now. Hurry up. Hurry up, bro. Hurry up. No! We're fine. Reports grave, John. Cookie factories involved in chocolate weather controversy. Okay. What? No. You know, we're done here. Bye, guys. See you later. Okay, guys, before I actually do end the video, I know I said that we would be gone here, but we can unlock the prism. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the loan potion. Oh, this is doing pretty good. 12 billion. Wow. That's great, man. Wow, it's doing 31.8% of our work. Seems legit. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off for real. Peace out.